In a world seeking calm amid constant motion, this modern eco-cottage stands as a sanctuary sculpted by nature itself. Draped in a living roof and fueled by rainwater intelligence, it transforms sustainability into quiet luxury. Today, we step into a home where every line, texture, and whisper of green proves that serenity is not found, it is designed.
Welcome to Creative Abode, where the art of design meets life. Explore unique architecture, innovative interiors, and inspiring spaces. Transform your home, discover new trends, and indulge in beautiful aesthetics. Let's create spaces that reflect your style, comfort, and creativity. Make yourself at home, and let your imagination wander.
The journey begins with the cottage's striking front facade, where natural stone meets warm timber in a harmony shaped by the land. The living roof spills gently over its edges, softening its geometry with vibrant vegetation. Rainwater channels trace clean lines along the roofline, hinting at a deeper intelligence within the home. At dusk, subtle lighting breathes life into the textures, revealing a structure both rooted and refined. Step inside and the living room unveils itself as a canvas of natural light and organic warmth. Broad windows frame ribbons of green from the living roof outside, while exposed timber beams guide the eye upward. Every element, soft fabrics, stone accents, gentle contrasts, creates an atmosphere where comfort feels effortless. It is a room designed not to impress loudly, but to soothe deeply. The master bedroom feels like a retreat sculpted in silence. Earthy finishes mingle with modern lines, while a panoramic window draws in the living roof's lush textures. Morning light washes across reclaimed wood furnishings, creating a gentle rhythm of shadow and warmth. Outside, the rainwater system tucks quietly into the landscape, a reminder that sustainability functions here without intrusion. In the kitchen, form and function unite through clean surfaces and purposeful simplicity. Matte cabinetry contrasts elegantly with warm wood tones, while a skylight peers directly into the living roof above. Water-efficient fixtures, fed by the rainwater harvesting system, highlight the home's commitment to mindful living. This space is crafted not just for cooking, but for gathering, a blend of efficiency and quiet sophistication. The mezzanine floats above the living space, offering a suspended moment of reflection. From here, the home's architectural rhythm becomes clear: steel, timber, light, and green in perfect balance. Upper windows frame the vegetation of the living roof at eye level, creating an intimate connection with nature even indoors. A reading nook, simple yet inviting, encourages a slower pace. The bathroom introduces a spa-like calm, shaped by stone walls and gentle warm wood. Matte black fixtures ground the space in contemporary luxury, while a window reveals the soft greenery of the living roof. The rainfall shower, fed by harvested rainwater, turns sustainability into indulgence. It is a place where the mind settles, and time stretches quietly. The front yard extends the home's philosophy outward. Native plants sway along a stone pathway leading to the cottage's entrance, mirroring the natural palette of its facade. Rainwater cisterns blend discreetly into the landscaping, supporting a garden designed for resilience and ease. With evening light grazing each surface, the space feels both cultivated and organic. On the rooftop, the living roof becomes a full landscape of its own, alive with texture, color, and ecological intention. The vegetation not only insulates the home but creates a peaceful retreat above ground. Integrated gutters and filtration units showcase the home's unseen intelligence, channeling rainwater with quiet precision. A small seating corner invites reflection amid the blooms. The working room offers clarity through design. A wide window frames the rainwater tank and green roof, merging productivity with natural calm. Reclaimed wood furnishings pair with black steel lines, while soft daylight filters through the space. Plants soften the edges, creating a balanced environment that encourages focus without tension. The backyard completes the cottage's embrace of nature. A timbered deck extends from the rear facade, opening onto lush native plantings and raised beds nourished by captured rainwater. The living roof arches gently into view above, tying the structure visually to its environment. It's an outdoor haven where luxury and sustainability meet seamlessly. This modern eco-cottage stands not just as a dwelling, but as a philosophy shaped in timber, stone, and living green. Here, sustainability becomes an experience, and serenity becomes a way of living. It is a home that reminds us, when design listens to nature, the result is timeless.